an illustration of why you don't want to draw the attention of an adversary or tell them, unless you absolutely have to, that you have or are trying to acquire extraterrestrial technology. Now, you might think, well, but, aren't we just projecting very human values onto this? What if they're peaceful? Doesn't matter. Almost any propulsion system and energy source required for viable interstellar travel will involve the generation of vast amounts of energy. And anything that involves the generation of vast amounts of energy can be weaponized. And maybe the secret, too terrible to be told, is the technology. Technology which in the hands of a domestic adversary or even just a single deranged individual could snuff out the sun